So I just purchased this 2004 GS 430. Couldn't pass it up. It was a good deal where, you know, I just had to pick it up. A vacuum leak. It was a P0411 or something. But that was a vacuum hose that I'll show you in a little bit. So it has this. The main concern of this car was the damage. See, the door, pretty bad, but I think it's doable. So I already fixed the vacuum leak. So it was some type of smog emissions. So under this cover, there was a hose. This hose right here. This hose right here was actually brittle, and there was a big crack. So I replaced that hose, cleared the coats, and so far so good. The light didn't come back on, so that was the main hose that was cracked, and also the O2 sensor. Pretty cool car. Always had the GS 300 before, but this is the first time owning a V8. Previous owner was kind of neglected the car, so you know, I tend to like to save cars as much as I can, and just go through my bucket list of cars that I ever want to own. No, so pretty much stock. White, which is I think is the best color for the GS model. This is my personal opinion. So yeah, these are the stock mufflers. These are stock muffler. So I'm gonna put these back on, put it back to stock. So, you know, runs pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna try to save this car. Hopefully my body guy could I already gave him a heads up already. Close the door. You know, so I already purchased the door already from my source. So just replace the door, and hopefully everything comes out clean again. So yep. It's pretty simple. The first part of taking this out, you have to take all these small Phillips. Use a small Phillips driver. Just be careful when you take it out. Just don't drop any. I actually dropped one down here, but yeah. So this is the first part, and this cover should come out. That cover should come out, and then I'm just gonna take out these 4 Phillips right there. The two on the right and 2 on the left. So let's get it. So after removing the 2 Phillips on each side, this should come out. Armrest should come out right there. This is the new. That's the old one. This is the new replacement. Oh man. Look up. Beautiful. So yeah, we're gonna put this back in reverse order, and yeah, let's go from there. So you have to for the old armrest, take this clip out, put it on the new one. So on the old armrest, there is this button to the open button for the armrest. Remove it, and then when you install it onto the new one, don't tighten these too much. Make it kind of like a little loose, not too loose, but you know, like just snug, so the button can be freely pressed. So yeah. Everything is back. All the screws are installed. Oh yeah, nice. So for now, I'm gonna drop off the car at the upholstery shop and have the front seats repaired. This one, and then I'm gonna make these two the same, so a match. So yeah. So I'm back at California Upholstery. Gonna drop off the car to get the front seats recover. If you guys like this content and like to follow the bill, please like and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you guys watching, and see you on the next one. Thanks.